natural vocation, forestry engineer with a global dream, masters and PhD.